Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a big chunk of wood that we're going to turn into a cutting tray, a large cutting tray at that. So follow along, subscribe as we try to take this big piece of wood and turn it into something pretty cool. Alright, so we've kind of laid it out already, we've looked it over, got some cool features to it. Nice big knot in the middle here, kind of like it. So, I've already drawn my lines. This is going to be the tray, and this is going to be our big handle. So, what we're going to do is trace it, make sure we like our lines, and start cutting it out. Alright, we have it roughed out. Now what we can do is start removing some of this bark off the back side here. Alright, I got my new sander here, and we've got our block here. 80 grit paper. Let's start breaking it down. Alright, we've knocked off all the rough stuff. Now we're going to use our 100 grit to smooth out all of the rough parts that we created with the 80 grit, and then work our way down from 100 to 120 to 150 to 220, and just keep on going down. We'll start on the bottom and then we'll flip it over and work on the top. Alright, we're working our way through it. It's only been about an hour, but we're down to 150 grit. We've got a ways still to go, but this is when it starts getting easier because everything that's been roughed off has been smoothed out. Now we're just making it even smoother. So let's begin. Alright, we're going to use our Butcher Block conditioner and an old pair of Marie's yoga pants here. Well, she won't find out until this video comes out, so we're fine. Anyway, she'll buy 2 more to replace this one. So we're all good. And we're going to set that down just like that so we're not scratching it up or putting any scuff marks on it. And let's get the piece out here and start putting it on. Pretty straightforward. It's already liquid. Rub it on. Wait a couple minutes, rub it off. Do that a couple times so we can get a nice deep condition on it.
Alright, it's Marie here with Vintage Statements. Just showing off the finished piece. Brant just finished up one of our platters that we've made out of the live edge wood. I keep calling it live wood. He keeps making fun of me. But whatever. It turned out beautiful. I think it would be an awesome platter for like a wine and cheese party or just like, I don't know, a centerpiece in the house. But let us know what you think. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, see all of our projects, and then even on YouTube you can see how everything's done step by step. Thanks so much.